Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, March 26th. Not much change in the overnight trade for the wheat, corn, and or soybeans. I think the trade is still trying to sit back and kind of wait the USDA reports next Tuesday, but in the interim, two things. I'd have to say that as far as the commitment of trades report and trying where we're at here today, we still have the specs modest to sizable net shorts in the wheat and the soybeans, and maybe pretty much net even in the corn. So for a path of least resistance and maybe to the upside, which kind of like the overnight trade was trying to hint, that being number one. And or if we aren't doing anything, it was kind of interesting also last night to see the preliminary open interest be somewhat down in the corn market, but up sizably in the wheat and in the soybeans and its complex. So once again, if we aren't doing anything, the open interest suggests that people are putting on positions at this point in time. Other than that, I guess we got two things that we're going to watch here today. If we are just going to kind of mosey along to the USDA report, we're going to have export sales coming out here in a few minutes. We'll see how we're doing versus the world competition, which once again stays cheap versus us. And then the other thing that we're going to kind of monitor also is what's going on with the outside markets, because it seemed like they have a little bit of influence in the overnight trade, with the dollar being weaker and the crude oil being firmer. So with the crude oil firmer and the dollar weaker, it's a little bit supportive towards our commodity markets here for grains and oilseeds. So other than that, we'll have a USDA report coming out on Tuesday. We still are monitoring the South American weather. The South American weather, as far as harvest activity goes, says that they're moving right along, so no supply problems there. And then fast forwarding, weather will be a very important factor here in the U.S. once we get these USDA reports out of the way. So once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. I thank you very much.